Tunesmith is an essential songwriting companion that allows musical talents to create and manage their songs with greater ease. An infinite number of songs can be added to Tunesmith's song catalog to maintain writer and publisher portions and to oversee copyright registration details. An integrated lyrics editor can run the award-winning rhyming dictionary Rhyme Genie in the form of a plugin to assist artists during the creative process of songwriting. Songwriters can maintain independent rhyme clipboards for each song in progress. Tunesmith's ability to handle unlimited lyrics revisions allows ideas to grow into finished songs more freely. A built-in chord dictionary can be used to look up the notes, fret positions, and intervals of thousands of chords, and allows artists to add professionally formatted chord symbols with matching guitar chord charts to the lyrics. Audio files can be imported in a variety of formats to manage studio recordings of finished songs. A pitch journal allows artists to stay organized when submitting their songs to producers and publishers by tracking hold periods, release dates, and chart positions of pitched songs. To learn how to access and store your information in Tunesmith, select Creative Talent in the main menu. Browse through existing creative talents with the help of the navigation button. The information display shows when a record was added, when it was modified, how many records were entered, and indicates the number of records that were found whenever a search was executed. You can search through all the entry fields of your creative talents or narrow your search down by making a selection from a hidden pop-up menu. To get a better overview of your creative talents, click on the View button. You can sort the list by selecting the appropriate column header. Regain access to all of your creative talents by clicking on the X inside the search field. To add a new talent, click on the Create button with the plus sign. The Tab key allows you to quickly move from one field to the next when entering the contact information. Specify how to format the creative talent's name in your song catalog by clicking on a small arrow to the right of the synonym field. When adding more than one address, the preferred checkbox lets you choose the default address that will be used for the copyright splits and pitch journal contact information. Organize your creative talents by adding them to contact groups. Rename an existing group by pressing the Alt key while clicking on the group's name. Clicking on the group's name without the Alt key will quickly let you find all the creative talents that belong to the selected group. Import existing contact data in Apple's extended vCard format, and once you have entered all creative talents, go to the Setup screen to select the creative talent that represents your identity. After entering all contact information, you can begin with the administration of your songs. Enter the song title and the general copyright information, which is typically printed below the title on your lyric sheets. Create a new copyright split and select one of the creative talents from the pop-up Claimant menu. Complete the split entry by specifying the copyright type and enter the writer and publisher portion assigned to the copyright claimant. Use the Clone button to save time when adding new songs to your catalog. Use the Print button to generate songwriter split sheets that become legally binding agreements once they are signed by all claimants. Track the U.S. copyright registrations and other song details in the right section of the Song Info screen. These additional entry fields can be shown or hidden by clicking on the Details button. Be able to find suitable songs for specific artists or film projects more easily by tracking a song's characteristics like theme, mood, and tempo. An integrated audio player can import different cover versions of your songs in a variety of formats. Click on the folder button to add an existing audio file to the selected song. A pen icon will appear to let you rename the added file and maintain its metadata. Create a playback track to assist you during the editing of your lyrics. When using Tunesmith in conjunction with the Rhyme Genie plugin, you have the option to look up rhymes from within the Tunesmith text editor with a single click. Add suitable rhymes to Rhyme Genie's clipboard by clicking on them with your mouse. Entries in Rhyme Genie's clipboard can be copied to Tunesmith's Rhyme clipboard by clicking on the Copy button. The plugin version of Rhyme Genie will automatically place the rhyme mates in the rhyme clipboard of the selected song. Once rhymes have been copied to Tunesmith, you can select any previous search word to look up the corresponding rhyme mates. To track any changes to the lyrics while writing a song, you can create revision entries. Revision entries can also be used to manage several copies of the same lyrics that only differ in the way they are formatted. Lyrics can be formatted with the help of a floating menu. Click on the right button of your mouse or press the Control key while clicking on the marked text. Click on the Ruler button to set first-line indents and margins for the selected text. Moving a left margin marker will also affect the first-line indent unless the Alt key is being pressed. Create one or more tab markers to offset certain parts of your lyrics, such as the chorus. Delete an existing tab marker by dragging it downward with your mouse. Click anywhere on the ruler to create a new tab marker for the selected text. Paste fully formatted lyric sheets into the chord sheet editor to quickly add chords. Chords are displayed in two different ways. In the preview mode, the chords are properly formatted and appear above the lyrics. In the edit mode, the chords are enclosed in square brackets and are shown in plain text format. Explore a variety of voicings for commonly used chords in the Basic Chord Dictionary. To add a new chord to the lyrics, drag and drop it into the text editor at the desired position. When a chord is dragged into the text editor from the chord dictionary, its selected voicing is automatically added to the list of guitar chord charts. You can also add matching guitar chord charts to any chords that were manually typed into the text editor. Ensure that any added chords are enclosed in square brackets and click on the Generate Favorite Charts button. Tunesmith will intelligently recognize the majority of chords even if a particular chord is written in several different ways. You will be notified of any chord that does not have a matching guitar chord chart in the dictionary. Select the desired chord in the dictionary and click on the plus sign. Whenever a specific chord type has more than one voicing in the dictionary, the preferred chord chart that has been marked with a star will be selected. When printed, the guitar chord charts will be automatically placed into the head section of the chord sheet. If preferred, they can be hidden and excluded from printouts by switching off the Details button. To allow session players to transpose the songs more easily, chord sheets can be printed in the Nashville number system format. Simply select the song's key in the drop-down menu and click on the Nashville Number System button. Once you have added your songs to your catalog, you can start tracking your song submissions. Select the song from your song catalog and choose one of your creative talents as the pitch contact. Display his or her preferred contact information by clicking on the I button in the center of the navigation button. If the pitch contact is not the targeted artist, enter the artist's name in the optional Pitch Target field. Click on the plus sign to create a new task, automatically loaded with the current date. Define the new task in the Pitch Notes column and optionally tag the contact type with the customizable drop-down list. Click on any future date in the calendar to schedule follow-ups. The results of your pitches are entered below the tasks. Once a selection has been made from the Pitch Result pop-up menu, the cursor will jump into an adjacent dynamic field to let you add more information. You may access this information directly in the song catalog. The information display uses your pitch result entries to show if the selected song is currently on hold, how many times a song has been pitched, how many times it has been recorded, and highlights the highest chart position the song has ever achieved. Consult the PDF Quick Start tutorial to learn more about all the features and benefits Tunesmith has to offer. Install Tunesmith to fine-tune the creation and management of your songs.